Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook ads account. So, first thing first, you need to go to business.facebook.com. And once you're on this page, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. So, once you're on settings, you're going to go to account right here. Account. So, you're going to scroll down to Instagram account. So it says right here, no Instagram account added. So what we're going to do is add an Instagram account. But for some of you that this is the first time you're adding an Instagram account to your Facebook ads account, the first thing you need to do is go to business assets group. So I've already created a business assets group. So in your case, if you've not created a business assets group, once you click on this business assets groups, it's going to show you menu of how to create a business assets group. So once you're done creating, you come back here to Instagram account, and now you can add an account. So click on add, agree, connect to Instagram. So you click on connect, continue, and then we log in our Instagram. Okay, so then you click on login as template, market beta tuna H2. So you log in. Alright, so adding your business portfolio, connecting your Facebook to Instagram, you add both profiles to your business portfolio. Then we'll click continue. Instagram connected. So this is the simplest way you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook ad account. So if you gain something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, whatever you don't understand.